Let's go check see if we are live. We are live. Hey guys, what's up? Doing a rare weekday stream here. Don't normally do these, but yesterday I was doing some research. Very short amount of research, but I think I may have a solution for vehicles falling through the ground. But first, let's go over to Discord, get our list together here, and I'll explain what's going on. Okay. So we can go through and delete a few things that we did accomplish last stream. Alright, we can add a few more new things here. Okay, so the general problem that I think is happening in Redux with the vehicles falling through the ground is there's too many objects for the server to track. And those objects that are being placed are mines. And yeah, it sucks. But they're still available via the explosive crates. And that's going to be the only way you can get mines if this plan works. So increase cost of explosive crates. So that's going to be how we limit the number of servers of mines I can place on the servers by controlling the cost of explosive crates, if I can remove them from the arsenal. So this is kind of a long shot, and then our last thing is to look at friendly fire script. We need to make it a little more painful, or a lot more painful, to friendly fire. Because the friendly fire, I cannot kick via the mission. Since Arma 1.4. Arma, yeah, I think it was Arma 1.4, they changed it. I was reading about the wiki. Well, I can't straight kick. The only way I could kick is if I have access to the admin password, which I can't get. Because if they gave that password to me, I would just start banning people constantly. Okay, so this was, I was looking up mines. And we actually have to go in, we're going to have to go in game, because I know nothing about mines. I've never placed a mine in 7,000 hours of playing Arma, because trolls do that kind of crap. But this line I found in the code, arsenal data set. This doesn't say remove it, but it's subtracting the blacklisted backpacks. And on this array is subtracting the Aper's mine dispenser. If we go back to that other page, okay, well, Aper's mine dispenser is not here, but that's okay. So for right now, what we need to do is we need to go in the game, and I need to pick one of these things, see if I can place it. And then I'm going to see if I can find it in the arsenal. And then I'm going to try to remove it and go back and check again. And this, like I said, this is a long shot because I don't know that that line of code is actually removing stuff, but the only shot we got right now to get rid of, or I don't want to get rid of mines, I want to massively reduce the number of mines people are able to put on the server. So we're going to look for an anti-tank mine. Go to Steam here. Guess I don't quite have 7,000 hours yet. 606 6,615. Got a very weird playlist going. I'm on that ambient playlist. That's what's up. Not ambient, ambient. Good old ambient, man. Refused to take it, dude. It was a thing because we were air crew in the Air Force, and we had this uppers and downers program, and ambient was our downers. Like, so, like, I don't know, like once every like 2 years, you had to go through and like do a reaction test on all this medication, where they would give you the meds and you take them, and or you had to go take them on your own and then report back, 2 days later or something if you had any side effects. Yeah, I would just flush that crap down the toilet. Dude, I'm not taking your freaking uppers and downers, dude. F this noise. Definitely didn't sell them while I was deployed either, because they're like required to issue them to you as part of the program. So definitely would not trade my Ambien for other stuff, because that would be totally illegal. That's why I never did it. Okay, so we're looking for AT mines and arsenal. And then we'll just close this out. We're going to add that to the list of banned stuff. Dude, it's been so long since I even looked at the arsenal. Whoa, Saganese. I always think it's cool when you get a Saganese start.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting
It's just a cool zone all around.
Select sector.
Okay, let's go into arsenal. Up some random junk.
Sector selected.
All right, so where are these going to be at? In the list, they're listed in our magazines. So, okay. I literally have no idea where these things are even listed. Launchers maybe? No. Oh no, I closed the freaking arsenal. That was unfortunate.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector.
Yeah, let's try this again. Let's try not to close the arsenal this time.
Sector selected.
I mean, no, dude. Yeah, sure. That. These are literally just rifles. Okay. How in the world are people getting mines in there? I don't even see where you do this. Oh, here we go. Okay, so you got to go into backpack. Yeah, give me a backpack, dude. Okay, so it's in your, you actually add them straight to your backpack and stuff. Okay. Where's AT mine? Oh, there it is. Okay. Function, subroutine. Okay. The bad just happened there. Okay, so let's go look up that error. This is not going well so far. Have people been getting that error every single time they place a mine and nobody said anything? That would actually not surprise me at all, dude. If people are getting thousands of those errors and not said a freaking word. Because they know they're not supposed to be placing mines. Alright, here we go. What in the heck? I don't even understand what this says. Alright, well. Okay, now we're going to claim that we're fixing an error in the script. Okay, so comma, quotation marks. Not sure which one I'm supposed to be. This and this are the same for all of these, I think. That's worried me a little bit though. They're a little bit different though. I'm gonna go with this though. If that doesn't work, we'll try the other one. Alright, moment of truth. I fully expect this to kick out some sort of error as soon as I open up the arsenal. Because it's Arma, and why would it not break? Changing something incredibly simple.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector. Sector selected.
Okay, I got a little baby backpack. Oh, it's gone. Did that work? Sometimes in Arma, I'm thinking maybe it were too easy. Something actually works the first time. Okay, so since that worked, apparently, I'm just going to write down the name of all of these mines and go through every single one of them. Hello, why not? Okay, so we need papers, bounding. Papers. Mine. Papers, tripwire. Claymore charge. Explosive charge. IED. Arch IED. M6. Small IED. So again. And training mine. Okay, so we got all the lists that we need. Now let's and unfortunately for this part, I'm not going to be able to watch YouTube chat, so hopefully nobody shows up and starts watching questions. I kind of need this list from Discord. Alright, so 2. So this is going to be the so this is number 1. Papers bounding mine. Can remove that from our list. Next up is Papers mine. God, this list is going to end up being massive. That from the list. Next up is an Apers tripwire. Yep. Next up is Claymore charge. Okay, next up on the list is something called an explosive charge. I just take explosive satchel on the list. Better just add both just to be careful. Okay, so we get that out of the way. Now we're doing, oh, we still need IDs and stuff. This is cool, they're more or less in the same order as my list. Nice. Oh, we got that one twice. ID. So I get for going out of order of my list there. Okay, let's update our list here. We got both the large IDs done. Next up is the slam mine. Which I do not see here. Ah, there it is. M6 slam mine. Right, next up is going to be two small IDs. Cool. Got done. Last up is the training mine. I did not see this on the list. This one specifically. Training mine. Okay. Cool, so let's jump into game. And once this is done, we're going to look at that restrict mine script, see if we can fix that to prevent people from placing them, maybe? It's like everything in Arma, players, where there's a will, there's a way. People, I'm sure will find some kind of cheat to get around this.
Warlords Protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector. Select sector.
Right, let's go to personal. Oh my god, that is
Sector
beautiful.
selected.
Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now let's go look at the restrict mines. Actually, finish up the other half of this. The other half. Actually, let's go back into game. Got to look at which crates actually have mines in them. If they do, any crates that have mines in them, I'll just jack the price into. So players still have the freedom to do it,
Warlords
but
Protocol
it's just going to be
initialized.
financially
Voting
stupid.
for the next sector. Select sector.
Okay, so let's look at gear. Okay,
Sector selected.
special weapons. Nope. Launcher. Not really. This is why people are spawning so many. 250 for this thing? Holy balls. I don't even think 2,500 is enough for how many mines this thing has. Yeah, I'm thinking with that many mines in that crate, push that up to like 4,000. Okay, so let's go to requisition. Oh, which one is it? What was one of these 250 ones? Ammo ordnance? Okay. Luckily, old me actually went in and all this out. Put it in the comments. Ooh. Alright, so now we gotta go find this script that's restrict mines. Restrict mine script. Okay, well, whatever this is doing, it is not working. So I can see what it's trying to do, because you noticed on that list, the put command. Oh. So what it's trying to do is anything using the put command, which is every single one of these mines. Holy crap. That's literally everything in the entire game, dude. It's trying to stop these things. Oh, that's because I was in my base. If projectile in area player base, give real object error. Oh, I think it's trying to stop you from placing mines in your own base. That makes sense. I should have moved out of my base before I did that. But it definitely didn't stop me from placing a freaking mine. Where is projectile defined though? Just doing a quick search, see if we can find Wait, I can remove mines? So I could just add this to the freaking respawn. Or like a sector capture or something and delete every mine on the map. Okay. Wonder if I can write this just like let's look that up specifically. Well, what do you know, folks? Okay. So we got the code we need. Dum. Change sector ownership. Yep. This is something I don't like about the way all this was coded. This bracket should be like down one. I mean, it would massively bloat the size of these scripts, like readability wise, but having this line up with this line right here so you can like really see what's going on. So I'm literally going. Problem is we have to test this. We have to test this locally, then we have to go test this on the server. We have to capture a sector too. That sucks. So this is actually going to be ridiculously difficult to test here. So we know we're not supposed to be placing mines in our own base, apparently. So it means we have to place them in the first town we capture. I forgot to do something. It's temp. Okay. I want to post some trolly in Discord. Oh god, some of these gifts, dude. What? This is not what I was expecting when I typed in mine. Let's try landmine. Maybe that's what. There we go. That's pretty trolly. I just reloaded the mission I already had loaded. Okay, so at first we're going to try this in our base. We're going to call in a crate. We're going to take the mines out of it and place them on the ground, even though we're going to get... Oh, no. Oh, I'm a buffoon. Can't believe I'm still making a semicolon mistake, dude. Ah. If we figure out how to delete these mines, dude, you may not have to really increase the cost of the... We're still going to increase the cost a little bit in case the map becomes a stalemate. Zorros.
Warlords protocol initialized. Voting for the next sector.
Wait a second. We could just test this code without.
Sector selected.
Hang on. I think we might be able to do this slightly smarter here. Go gear. Explosives.
Select drop zone. Airdrop in progress.
Okay, so in theory, all I have to do is take these mines out of this crate, place them on the ground here, then walk in the other zone, then teleport back here and look, see if the mines are still here. Kind of want to place things that I don't think are going to kill me. Okay. Place 2 just to... Okay. We have 2 mines placed on the road in Zaros. So where in Zaros are we? Okay, we're in the south west side.
Select destination. Destination selected.
Actually, I could just look here on the map. Magic. This is how I was able to figure out the problem in the first place. Like, I literally watched a guy that spent, I'm not kidding you, probably 4 hours non-stop placing mines, dude. I was like, dude, what the F are you doing, man? Like, I admire that level of autism, dude. That you could be, like, so focused on, quote-unquote, defending a town that you're gonna do nothing but spawn in mines non-stop for hours, but... Like, it becomes a point where it's just disrespectful to the rest of the players on the server because you're killing the server performance by doing that. Here comes the air. As soon as the sector changes, I expect air to flash up.
Sector seized.
Oh.
Voting for the next sector.
And the mines are gone.
Select sector.
Yeah, we're try this one more time to make sure it was not a fluke. This time we're gonna place I don't know, a bunch of mines, I guess. 3.
Sector selected. Select drop zone. Airdrop in progress.
So that delete mine code, that's gonna be very similar to the delete UAV code that we're gonna try to work on next weekend. And this is ridiculously good news because this is almost like a prototype. Let's get rid of a bunch more stuff here. Okay, let's grab ourselves some mines here. This one could do that one. This one. Which ones haven't we grabbed? This one. So we got Apers, Claymore. AT mine's too big. Okay, so we have 4 types of mines now. We're gonna test these. Pray to God I don't kill myself. Okay, so now we have 4 mines. Pretty sure I already deleted all the dudes from this next sector, so we just walk in and cap it.
Destination selected.
We're gonna physically come back and look and see. Got my wrong macros set up. Yep. And this time I'm actually gonna go back and look at both these sectors just to make sure this is like for reals. If so, we're gonna push it to the dedicated server. I can't believe that idea actually works with the whole. That's extremely encouraging for our UAV plans this next week. This week it might be easy breezy, dude.
Sector seized.
Boom, capped. Let's just
Voting for the
something
next
around.
sector.
And all those mines are
Select
gone. Yeah,
sector.
let's go physically look, make sure these things are gone.
Select destination. Destination selected.
If so, that was kind of crazy easy, and we can lower the
Sector
cost of
selected.
we can lower the cost of the crates. We're not gonna lower it back to 250 because if the map turns into a stalemate, people are just gonna spam those crates, and they're gonna end up placing thousands of mines, anyways, which will have the same effect of turning the server into mush. So we're still gonna update the cost, but I don't have to make it 4,000 anymore. I could do something a little more reasonable, like I don't know, 1,000. So if somebody is really, really motivated to place mines for a very short period of time, they can do it, but maybe we'll set it to 1,000. I mean 500. Okay, these mines are definitely not here anymore. Oh, that is cool. Okay. I just made the best mine cleanup script in the history of Arma. Delete every single mine on the entire server. Get wrecked. Alright, so let's go find requisitions. We don't need to be quite as ham-fisted with this anymore. Is 500 enough though? Make it 800. Wait, what is 250 times 3? 750? Yeah, we'll do 750. Alright, so now we have to make, oh my goodness. Temp SQF, yep, discard that one. Discard mission SQF, as always. I don't have any clue how to spell apocalypse. Alright, oh, we did not actually do that. We have to go back and fix that real quick. I think I only did it for Blue 4. Okay, so we did this for Blue 4, but we did not do this for Op 4. Almost a colossal mistake, and we also didn't update our version number. Let's go find a version number file. Read to 8. And take that. GitHub commit messages. A zone is captured, not is captured. Okay, cool. Push that. Now we got to go jump on the dedicated server. It's gonna take me a minute because I haven't done this a couple days. So first thing I need to do is go to GitHub. Okay, that is up to date. Go up. Extract this. Up. Okay, got that done. Boom. All right. Apparently, got all that done. Back to Arma. Okay, the server is running. Why is it not showing up on my list here? Filter. Eh. Why is this not working? Yeah, that's definitely the name of the server. Okay, that's not the best. So let's shut that down or restart it maybe. Right? Where's the server thing gave me the IP for the server somewhere? Why is the server not showing up? Maybe I need to restart this other PC. I don't know. Okay. Guess I'm gonna restart this other PC. See what happens. I don't think any of this stuff's gonna break the official dedicated server, because it didn't look like there was anything that was dedicated server specific in those scripts I was editing. But I feel extremely nervous anytime I do something and I don't test it, like that I think, or doing something new that I think might break an official server or a dedicated server. Because me and Bohemian Interactive are on completely different like sides of the planet. So if something goes wrong when they implement it, I'm normally sleeping. It's a disaster. Oh no. Locked me out of Steam for some reason. Holy crap, I actually remembered the password from a couple weeks ago when we set that server up. That's not good. The dedicated server just threw an error at me when I tried to start it up. That's bad. I also lost all my music. Crap. Alright, so, this is horrible. Okay, I got the dedicated server back up and running. Mission. Okay, I can already see what the problem was. I never loaded a mission on the server. Okay, it's launching. Yay. Okay, let's try again. This didn't work. I'm gonna be kind of out of ideas here. Okay, it's not good so far. This sucks. Uh, I'm gonna try something else here. Let's try to start Arma. Oh, I can't play on the same Steam account that I'm running the dedicated server on. That sucks. I have literally no clue why this isn't showing up. Was working fine for weeks, and now it's just disappeared. Okay. Okay, my ports are still all forward as they should be. I wonder if... Okay, hang on guys, I'm doing a bunch of troubleshooting here. Prompts. Ah, I see what happened. Okay. Oh, this isn't good. Alright guys, I gotta end the stream. I gotta reset my router for these new effects to take place, so we'll be back in just a couple minutes. I'll see you then.